This video guide will help you to get rid of the new browser hijacker that is called NewVideoSearch. NewVideoSearch is a browser hijacker that specifically attacks Google Chrome browser. This particular hijacker may be spread through integration with some free applications. In most of the cases, customers download and install it pretty unintentionally. So if you have discovered that this new video search has somehow become the part of your Google Chrome browser, you should definitely undertake the measures and get rid of it as soon as possible. It is called hijacker because it may change a lot of your crucial browser settings without your permissions. For example, the default homepage may be changed, default search engine, and the new tab. Whenever you start submitting some particular search queries, you may notice that the results would be delivered by Yahoo search, by Bing search, or by some other search engines that have not been chosen by you initially. So this is all happening because of this hijacker called NewVideoSearch. Of course, its developers claim that by installing the extension you will be able to get some convenient search for new videos, but in reality this extension functions as a typical hijacker that changes a lot of settings without your approval. So if you have discovered this new video search extension in your Google Chrome browser, make sure you immediately undertake the measures and get rid of it as soon as possible. Go to the menu of the browser, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. In case you find any third-party extensions here related to that hijacker, get rid of them. We also recommend that you thoroughly examine your computer with the help of reliable security software, and we recommend you to do that with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the official page combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the software, and start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.